Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to those who are new to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to give you guys an update and a review regarding this product that I've used for quite some time now. I've initially used this product when I had the micro needling therapy for the past last few weeks ago. So I think it's time for me to share my thoughts and experience and give you guys what this product did to my face. But before we proceed, to those who haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking the red button and click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever there's a new video uploaded on my channel. Guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded new video content on my channel kasi ang plan ko sana is mag-upload ng new video after kong ma-monetize kasi under review yung channel ko now. But na-realize ko na it would take pala up to 30 days, so why wait, diba? So mag-upload na lang ako ng panibagong video and wait, and hopefully ma-monetize along the way. Okay, so the product that I'm talking about is the Lenbena Scar Removal Stretch Mark Serum. Hold on. Let me just. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh my goodness. So, nung ginawa ko yung microneedling therapy, after nun is nilagay ko siya as what, if nakita nyo yung video, so ginamit ko siya start nung time na yun. And then, the good thing of this product is madaling naghilom yung sugat na natamo ko. Parang natamo talaga. Parang yung sugat-sugat na ginawa ko nung microneedling therapy ako. Madali siya naghilom within 1 to 2 days, naghilom na siya. But the problem is parang naghilom nga siya, but nagpipil yung mukha ko sa product na to. But still I kind of liked it because hindi magtatagal yung, for example, if you have a new pimples, parang yung pakakapisa pa lang para nagsugat-sugat, you can apply this one and then madali siyang matuyo. Actually madali siyang matuyo whenever you have a parang sugat-sugat sa mukha. Madali siyang matuyo. This is really good. So I can recommend this one pag gusto mo yung pag you have something on my face and maybe some other parts as well na gusto mong madali agad matuyo. Ito nakakatulong to siya kasi experience ko nung nilagay ko siya kinamagahan, pero medyo nag-dry, hindi naman dry totally, nag-flakes lang siya after mga 3 to 4 times ko siyang nagamit na. Doon pa lang siya nag-flakes, but it is definitely na kung talagang madaling matuyo yung pimples mo or something na sugat, you can use this one. So as for my scars, what this product did for my face is not that much, because I've said sa mga previous videos ko na meron akong malalalim na scars, and I don't know what I've done to my face those nung time na nagka-pimples ako, but malalalim yung scars ko. And up until now, I'm still struggling to find a product na yung parang nakaka-penetrate talaga deeply. But the good thing naman sa this product is nakaka-penetrate naman siya, but it's only light. And as you can see on my face, malalalim, may mga lalalim pa dyan na scars. It's not totally healed, and I'm not sure if gagaling pa ba yan. But in regards to this product, maganda naman siya. Maganda siyang pang support dun sa product na, like sa ginamit ko na micro needle, dun sa Dermapen na ginamit ko. Maganda siyang pang support nito kasi it can help para mag-heal yung sugat sa mukha mo after mo magawa yung procedure na yun. Okay, to sum it all up before I'll end this video, so my final thoughts para sa product nito is you can try this for yourself if pareho lang ba ng effect sa'yo at sa akin, but definitely it will give a different reaction or different effect kasi I'm not sure if pareho tayo ng type ng or pareho tayo ng situation sa scars. So you can see for yourself and hopefully makatulong din sa'yo, but for me it did just a little. I'm not totally disappointed kasi mura lang naman siya. I did not spend a lot of money for this product. Sa Lanvena, I think this is the third product brand ng Lanvena. So I guess that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, just comment it down below and I'll answer you as soon as I can. So thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and God bless all of you. Stay safe. Goodbye.